Hi, welcome to Cooking Spot. Today we are going to make Kurakkan Porridge. Let's see how to make Kurakkan Porridge and what we need. First we need Kurakkan. I have taken 3 tablespoons of Kurakkan, 100 grams of grated coconut and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Add salt to taste. Next, add sugar according to your taste. I have taken some cardamom seeds. Also, take the required amount of water to make Kurakkan porridge. First, we add water to Kurakkan flour. Next, add water to the rice flour mixture and mix well with water to remove lumps. Now, let's blend the grated coconut. Put a clay pot like this on the stove, add water and salt. Add some cardamom. Now, when the water boils, we add the rice flour mixture to the batter. Now, after a while, the rice flour mixture will thicken. Next, we add the Kurakkan mixture to the rice flour in this way. Kurakkan gets thick soon, so keep stirring. At this time, keep the stove on medium flame. When the color of the Kurakkan changes, add sugar. Next, add the coconut milk made in the blender and mix well. Then you can also make Kurakkan porridge like this in Sri Lankan style and taste it.